Hi everyone, my name is Emily. I currently live in upstate New York, the Albany, Saratoga area. I am taking this course to apply to physician assistant schools. I've already applied to a handful, but I just need organic chem for a few different schools for my prerequisites. So I'm trying to get that done and hopefully get into school this upcoming session, either starting in January or at the end of the summer. So that is my future plans. I have a dog named Oreo. Hopefully you can see him. I also have an older brother and a younger sister. My brother lives in California. He lives in San Francisco area. He's been there for about 3 to 4 years. We went to visit for the first time last year, and I love it there. Don't think I could live there. It's a little too busy for me. I like being in a little bit of the country area. Was not too far from the city as well of Albany. And I have a younger sister as well. She's 3 years younger than me. We do, almost everything together. We work out together. She works at the same place that I do. Not all the time. I'm there full time. She's there part time. So I work at a rehab facility in Schenectady, New York. I work as an exercise physiologist, and I love what I do. I've been there for about 2.5 years. I graduated with a bachelor's in kinesiology. So I've been there, and I love it, but I'm excited to plan my future as a physician assistant and get into that field. I'm excited to learn more about organic chemistry. As much as I don't want to take this course, I'm excited, and I'm going to do the best that I can to do well with it. Let's see, for hobbies, I love to work out. This past summer, I've been playing on, 3 different teams for 3 different sports, co-ed. I've been playing soccer on Monday nights and beach volleyball on Monday nights. And then on Wednesdays, I've been playing softball. So I keep very active. Unfortunately, those have come to an end due to these classes. I'm also taking another course for PA school, immunology. They're both online through Doan. So it's a lot to do, but I'm excited to get them through and hopefully get into PA school. So I look forward to taking this class with all of you, and have a good night.